Hey guys, Nicole here. I have a very urgent update, promo update para sa pinakamagandang single attached Florence model na may gate and fence upon unit turnover located sa Barangay Quezon, Santa Maria, Bulacan by Solar Resources Incorporated. Only until end of July 2025. Kaya second batch of my update to kasi para maipakita ko sa inyo guys, ma-emphasize ko kung gaano ka-importante yung savings, yung discount na makukuha mo kung month of July ka makapag-reserve. Okay? So, explain ko siya guys. Pero nandito ako ngayon sa kanilang napakagandang clubhouse. Yung kanilang amenity guys, complete yan, may swimming pool yan, may fun pa yan. Tignan nyo guys yung clubhouse nila, di ba ang unique? Ang ganda ng design. Ano siya? Instagrammable siya guys. Sundan nyo ako dito kasi mapakita ko yung fun. Tapos mag-quick house tour din ako. Pero pakita ko muna yung fun guys. Ang ganda no, Instagrammable, aesthetic po yung amenities ng North Orchard. Maliban sa ang ganda rin tignan ng mga kulay ng mga bahay. Ayan guys. Yung dito sa side na to, ang ganda ng design ng roof, polycarbonate roof. Tapos yung sa side naman na to guys, so ayan no, sa hapon, sa umaga, gusto mong magmuni-muni. Ayan. Gusto mong manood ng mga fish. 'Di ba? Kasi ito yung fund nila. Gusto mo ng Instagrammable shots. 'Di ba? Nasaan ka ba? Parang akala nila, where are you? Akala nila kung nasaan ka nag-staycation. Ayun pala, nandun ka lang naman pala sa amenity area ng iyong exclusive subdivision. Gusto niyo ba yun? So guys, without further ado, let's have a house tour for Florence model single attached here at North Orchard. Before we go to the dressed up model, gusto ko lang i-emphasize guys yung exterior beauty and design of Florence single attached. So ito siya guys, nakikita nyo naman mayroon siyang gate and fence na kasama sa unit turnover. Concrete na rin yung kanyang car garage parkway. Tapos ito sa labas may tiles na dito. Yan, ganito guys yung kanyang turnover ha. Nakikita nyo ba guys yung exterior niya? Kung gaano ka-elegant. Tapos alam nyo guys, ang ganda niya tignan. Kasi di ba nag-iisa lang naman yung model na pagpipilian mo dito, si Florence single attached. Nakikita mo tong exterior design niya guys, yung sa labas. Ito oh. Yan. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Yung color combination niya, white and then light yellow and then brown. 'Di ba ang perfect niya, ang elegant niya, pero napaka-affordable ng price ng total contract price niya, 'di ba? Parang hindi mo aakalain na kaya mo palang magkaroon ng future home dito sa Barangay Quezon, Santa Maria, Bulacan na malapit sa Walter Mart tapos malapit pa sa NLEX Bukawi exit for that price. So, let's have our dress up model house tour guys very quickly at nang mabigay ko na sa inyo ang promo for July. Let's go. house tour natin kay Florence Single Attached here in Barangay Quezon, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Nakita niyo naman guys, diba, napakaganda ng bahay, single attached, may gate and fence, complete finish turnover, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Tapos meron pa silang big discount and promo for July 2025. Kaya without further ado, papakita ko na sa inyo guys yung promo nila. Yan po yung kanyang sample computation. Pinapakita ko dyan guys na pag nakapag-reserve ka ng within month of July, may less than 100,000 pa. Tapos kung ikakash mo pa yung 10% DP, aside from 100,000 discount, pwede ka pang magkaroon ng another 10% discount from the DP. Saan ka pa? Wala ka nang makikita kahit anong projects na double discount yung binibigay sa client. Kung halimbawa naman guys, gusto mo, bawa busy ka, hindi ka talaga makapunta, okay, sige, send ko sa'yo yung available and then the map, pumili ka na kaagad ng gusto mo dyan guys. I-reserve na natin yan online, i-email sa'yo yung forms, isend mo sa akin yung mga initial. So guys, ang initial requirements showing on the screen right now. O, di ba guys, napakadali lang po ng ating requirements. Kaya dapat kontakin mo kagad ako dahil bawal na bawal pong mag-walk-ins dito. Strictly no walk-ins are allowed inside. You have to contact my Viber or WhatsApp number as soon as possible. Mention North Orchard, okay? Alam ko na yan pag sinabi mo yung North Orchard. But schedule tayo at least 1 to 2 days before. Kung gusto mo mag-physical tripping, kung gusto mo naman online reservation, sige lang, walang problema. So guys, contact mo kagad ako sa aking Viber, WhatsApp. Kung Messenger or Facebook ang gamit mo, ayan guys, may blue check yan, ako yan. Follow me as soon as possible. Message mo lang ako, mention North Orchard or Florence Model North Orchard. Yan guys, okay? Again, my name is Nicole. Just contact me as soon as possible, alright? Malinaw ba tayo nun guys? Wala ka nang makikita na ganyan ha, double discount and promo. Dito lang yan sa North Orchard. So you must contact me as soon as possible and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all you needed to know guys and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.